Hello everyone, welcome to the Let's Be Honest technical demo. Here we are going to show you two processes, the first one being dispatcher and the second one being performer. In the dispatcher, anyone who wants to play an admin role, let it be the solution architect or the business analyst or the CP, can trigger this dispatcher bot and fill up the project submission details. So what it is going to collect is the project information and the number of team members that it is going to work and the team members details. And then it is going to create the unique Microsoft Forms link, and it is going to email the complete link to the project team members for filling this survey. So let's see how this is happening. In the initial setup, when you trigger the bot, it is going to ask for the project name. And here the total team members, as I'm currently working with, is 4. I will be entering the 4 team members information. And this can be dynamically be arranged by how many team members you are working on. Once you click submit, it is going to populate 4 text boxes for your project team information to be filled. Once you hit submit, the bot will automatically create the unique forms link by creating the questions for filling the survey of the project. So first it is entering the project name, and then it is going to submit if there are any deviations in the project, yes or no. And then it is going to create the next question, like how the weekly project is going, like what is the project weekly task completion score. And finally, honest review of the project this week. And once this is done, it is going to send the shortened URL and is going to email to the respective project team members. And let's see if we have received an email or not. Perfect, we have received an email. So this is how the sample email looks like with a unique forms generated link. Once you click on this link, it is automatically going to take you to the summary details. It is going to take you to the survey information of the Microsoft Forms, where I will be filling up this information every week. So any deviations from the project, I would consider no. Project weekly task completion score, like how did the project task completed on that particular week, I would say everything has been completed as per plan. Honest review of this project this week, I would say everything went well as per the plan. And once I hit submit, the admin who has created this Microsoft Forms will get the complete list of the responses, which will be shown like this. So once this information has been captured, next the performer will trigger and it will complete its process.
So go ahead and run the performer. As a first step, the performer collects the information submitted by all employees in their survey submissions. As you see, it pulled up all the information from a spreadsheet, which is where this current iteration of the process keeps all the employee information. Next, the bot leverages a machine learning component to perform sentiment analysis on the feedback submitted in the survey. Following the sentiment analysis, the bot populates the survey results into a project management platform. In our case, we're leveraging the Smartsheet tool, but the survey results can be populated into any project management tool, just like Google Forms. As you can see, we have information for employee name, the day when the review was submitted, whether there was a deviation, the score provided, the sentiment from the review text, and then the review itself. In the final step, the performer sends a summary email to the project lead.
So we're expecting that we received a summary email at this point. As you can see here, the summary email was sent to the project owner or project manager. Here's an example of that email that's sent to the project lead. As you can see, we have a concise summary of the answers submitted by each of the team members. At the top, we can see an overall summary displaying the date processed, the total number of team members that received the survey request, as well as the ratio of positive to negative survey submissions. Below, we can see additional information regarding each survey submission. We have detail about who submitted the survey, whether there were any significant deviations from the project, the overall task completion score for that week, as well as the sentiment analysis of the review of the project submitted that week.